Every day, we face choices that can change the course of our lives. Often, these choices come wrapped in fear. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of the unknown. It's natural to hesitate when faced with uncertainty. But here's the challenge. If you let fear control your decisions, you may avoid temporary discomfort, but risk a much deeper, lasting pain: regret. Fear is temporary. It visits in moments, sometimes lingering longer than we want, but eventually it fades. Regret, on the other hand, can last a lifetime. Regret is the quiet voice that reminds you of chances missed, words unsaid, and dreams not pursued. It's the weight you carry when you look back and wonder, what if I had been braver? Choosing between fear and regret is a crossroads everyone must face. Do you let fear stop you in your tracks? Or do you act despite fear and avoid the heavy burden of regret? Fear is a natural response. It's your brain's way of protecting you from danger, real or imagined. But most fears are based on what might happen, not what will happen. We often overestimate the risks and underestimate our own ability to handle challenges. Regret, however, is a consequence of inaction. It stems from opportunities missed because fear was allowed to win. It's the what could have been that haunts us. Regret is far more painful because it represents a loss, not just of a moment, but of a possibility, a relationship, or a dream. The key to making the right choice today is to reframe how you view fear. Instead of seeing fear as a stop sign, see it as a signal. Fear often means you're stepping outside your comfort zone, and that's where growth happens. When you face fear head-on, you build courage. You prove to yourself that you are stronger than your doubts. This courage accumulates over time, making the next challenge easier to face. Taking action despite fear empowers you, while giving in to fear disempowers you. It's important to remember that nobody's life is free from fear or failure. Even the most successful people feel fear. What sets them apart is their willingness to move forward regardless. They understand that fear is temporary, but the regret of not trying lasts much longer. So, how do you choose wisely? Here are a few steps. Acknowledge your fear. Don't ignore it, but don't let it rule you either. Visualize the worst-case scenario, and then plan how you'd handle it. Often, it's not as bad as you imagine. Focus on the potential rewards of taking action rather than the risks of staying put. Take one small step forward. Action breaks the grip of fear. Remind yourself why you want to act, your goals, dreams, and values. Remember, fear is temporary. The courage to act can lead to growth, success, and fulfillment. But regret, it lingers, reminding you of what you left behind. The choice is yours. Will you let fear hold you back? Or will you choose to act and live without regret? Make the right choice today.